In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. Start by heading to clickup.com. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account to log in. Once you're in, create a fresh workspace to keep your time data organized. Click New Space, give your space a clear, practical title that reflects the team or process you're tracking, and click Continue. When you're ready, select Create Space. A space is your top-level container, so a good name and clean structure now will make reporting far easier later. Next, click the plus sign to add resources to the space and open templates. In the template library, search for a time tracking template. Choose the one designed for logging and reporting work hours, then click Use Template. If you see a confirmation, click Use Template again. While it spins up, here's what's happening. The template is bringing in pre-built lists, custom fields, and views tailored for tracking time, connecting it to tasks, and rolling it into simple reports. This saves you from building columns, statuses, and dashboards from scratch. When the template finishes loading, open the Getting Started guide. Give it a quick scan so you understand what each list and field means, especially items like billable, hourly rate, and due dates, because those drive accurate reports and payables. Move into the task log. This is where time entries connect to tasks. Add task names, descriptions, assignees, dates, and duration. Use consistent naming and tags so you can group and filter later without cleanup. If your team bills clients, mark entries as billable where appropriate. Open the payables list to see how tracked time translates into amounts due. This view typically pulls billable entries and helps you prep invoices or internal chargebacks. Then visit accounts to categorize where time is spent by client or system. Within that, you'll find segments like ClickUp, HubSpot, and Payroll. Use these to separate work by platform or department so roll-ups are meaningful. Check the activities board to visualize progress through statuses. This helps ensure work is moving and that time entries reflect the current stage. Open payment status to monitor paid versus outstanding items, which is essential for cash flow and stakeholder updates. Finally, open the tracker view to review totals by assignee, date range, or account. Use filters and grouping to answer questions like who logged what, where, and when, and export or share as needed. With that, you've set up a clean space, applied a time tracking template, and walked through the key views that turn hours into actionable reports.